I found this free juniper on Facebook Marketplace. Today I'll dig it up, pot it into a 25-gallon, prune it for long-term structure, and turn it into a yard-sized bonsai. Step one is just finding your tree. Go on Facebook, look for somebody who wants to get rid of a juniper or a cedar tree that's just overgrown, unkept, just unsightly in their yard. Tell them you'll come and remove it. And then the first thing you want to do is just remove the bottom part of the bush to reveal the structure of your future bonsai tree. Now you can take a look at the trunk, the thickest part of your future tree, and look for any unique features that you want to show off once this thing is in a pot. Look for any cool swirling branches, any root growth or nabari that you want to show off in your future bonsai. Big, thick tap roots are important to keep a tree anchored in outdoor conditions in the wind, but are not important for a bonsai. They don't actually uptake any nutrition. That's done by small fibrous roots. Big ones should be removed to promote more fibrous root growth and allow the tree to uptake a lot of nutrition. I'm also removing a lot of the top leggy, thin top growth so that the branches that are left behind can grow thicker. Be sure to leave enough green on top so that the plant can still photosynthesize.